Okay, this is part 2. So as you already know, I'm gonna speed this up. Hold on. I got the strawberry crunch, chocolate, and the strawberries. Okay, y'all, so these are the strawberries I made before I put them in the freezer. Which one is y'all favorite? The white one, the strawberry crunch, or the one with little... This is my friend Drizzle. Alright. And this is Rima series. And this is Shia Slay. The one with the braids. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so these are the strawberries. I froze them, and then I placed them into a box. Well, the strawberry container.